Hello, hello. If you're like me, you love the Traveler's Notebook. And if you haven't tried it already, I guess you don't love it already, but if you do try it, you will love it, I think. This is my Midori TN, and I'm very happy with it. I use it a lot. Now, I'm going to show you today a Traveler's Notebook insert journal that I have designed, and I hope that you'll enjoy this little flip through of it. My name is Laura, and I'm from the Queen of Mirth, and I'm really happy to be with you here today. I just want to show you, this is my Midori Traveler's Notebook. I know it's huge, but that's just the way it is. I like it that way. I've got a lot of stuff going on in it. And one of the things, I've already disengaged it, but one of the things that fits in it perfectly is this. It's a little journal that I've designed, and it's in my Etsy store, and the name of it is Life is a Journey. And I'd just like to show you what it looks like when it's assembled. This is the front cover, and I put some lace on it, and this is I think it's an applique thing, but I've just glued it onto the front cover. And I have photocopied all of the pages, both sides. And the cover, which is this, the cover that comes in the kit, I've printed it in cardstock. So, and the opposite side of the cover is this antique graph paper or square paper. It's kind of nice. Anyway, I'm just going to show you briefly what the journal looks like. Once again, the name of it is Life is a Journey. So this is the first page. Some of these, like this is something that I pasted on. It's just something that I copied out of a I cut out of a magazine, and this is some kind of ribbon or something that I've stuck on there. But everything, and then these papers here I have put on, and then this little envelope comes with the kit. This is all a page in the kit.
I dream our impossible lucid dream of living in a practice space,
of living in the library with me.
When we wake,
I wake.
when we reach,
I
reach for our alarm, turn it off, make a cup of coffee, put our feet inside our socks, inside our shoes.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you? How
Just take it easy on this breezy afternoon. Just take it easy, you're completely overdue. So please turn off your phone so I can sing you something soft and slow, and we'll dance while the lights go low.
There, so that is the flip through of this kit that is in my Etsy store called Life is a Journey. It is, I think it's, I believe, I may be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll say so in the comments or in the description box below, but I believe it's 24 printable pages in this kit. And I really enjoyed putting it together, and I hope you enjoyed having a look at it. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please press the like button and do subscribe to my channel. It makes a huge difference for me. The more subscribers I get, the better it is for me on YouTube, and it helps other people to find my channel. I really appreciate your being here once again, and do come back and see me soon. Thank you. Bye.